2021 Mercedes-Benz AMG GT Black Series. Well, in this case, orange is the new black. Don't be mistaken in thinking that the car needs to be painted black to be part of the limited series, high option, high output, fundamentally race cars made for the customer base by Mercedes-Benz. There is more of everything on this car. More horsepower, more torque, more electronic assistance, but less weight, because essentially this is the Mercedes-Benz GT3 race car made street legal. Such is the attention to detail on the car that Stefan Hans, the engineer responsible for building the bi-turbo V8, he has his autograph underneath the engine bay. Again, extensive use of composite materials everywhere, from the hood, the bonnet, the roof, the sills, everywhere. Get the weight as low as possible because, again, remember, in every way, this is a street legal race car offered to the customer base by Mercedes.